hold it. All right, bring it down easy. We're clear.
Lift and traverse west. Maintain current elevation.
Roger that. Moving west.
Look at the heat signature on the forward plate. It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on it. Slow down the descent, watch the left side. Clear on this side. Almost there, easy now.
Careful with the heat setting, we're getting distortion.
Adjusting it now.
Look at that precision. The robot is performing flawlessly.
Yes, the fusion is perfect. Check the tolerances on the mantlet mount.
They look good according to the schematic.
Bring it down 50 centimeters. Watch the alignment. Clear on the left. We need to adjust the feed rate slightly. The gauge is showing too much strain.
All right, I see it. Increasing the coolant pressure now.
Lower it slowly now. All right, steady, steady. A little to the left. Looks good, lock it in.
Train lower 5 centimeters.
Roger that, coming down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. H7 connection secure. Hit it with the wrench. Torquing now, reading green on the diagnostic.
Check the voltage on auxiliary harness 7.
Reading stable at 5 volts. Secure the primary coupling.
Sensor array is fully calibrated. We're showing green across the board.
Acknowledged. Proceed to Stage 1 activation.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. All clear back here. Keep it steady.
Secure, good job.
Ready for inspection.
Keep it coming slowly. All right, easy now. Align it to the left. Looks good. Hold it there. Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, steady, steady.
Looks good. Bring it down slowly.
Make sure the main harness clicks in securely. It is. Now check the tolerances on the left side. The alignment is perfect. Go ahead and release the tension on the straps.
Confirmed. I'm logging the installation data now.
Little to the left. Watch the alignment on sector 4.
Steady, steady.
Clear the descent path on the east side.
Roger that. Moving now.
Crane, hold position at current altitude.
Hydraulic lines secured on my side.
Electrical connection is good. Final check complete.
Ensure this section is perfectly smooth. We can't have any overspray on the wheels.
Got it. I'll double check the seams. Maintain the current temperature for the next cycle. Roger that. The coating looks good.
Rotation stabilization at 2 degrees per second.
Holding steady on the azimuth, command reports green.
Noted. Logging the sequence now.
Elevation servo response is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Look at that stabilization, perfectly level.
Incredible results. I'm noting the tolerance levels now. Pressure holding steady at the turret seal.
Confirmed. No significant leakage detected.
Turret alignment is within acceptable parameters.
Confirmed. The side plating welds look solid.
Mechanical and treads are fully secured and operational.
If we optimize the airflow here, we increase efficiency by 12%.
But what about the thermal load on the casing? We can reinforce the polymer blend right here.
This bearing is showing excessive wear.
We should replace it during the next cycle. Grab the replacement from aisle 4. Okay, maintain throttle input through the curve. Watch your hydraulics pressure on screen 3.
5 more minutes until we have to head back.
I swear the brakes are getting shorter.
Pay close attention to section 3 on arc flash prevention. Remember, the new protocol requires a double check.
Does that apply to the new rigs?
Yes, especially those. Safety first.
Schematics look clear. Let's initialize the sequence.
All green on my end. Stand clear for the test cycle.
As you can see, the integration of these robotic arms has streamlined the entire process.
And what are the current metrics on this display?
We're seeing a 20% increase in throughput, General.